The word of encouragement for today is, Father, you know my worries and cares for my troubles, so I give these heavy concerns to you in Jesus' name. What's up, fam? It's your girl, Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. So, fam, I took the liberty of recording a video because I did an Amazon review. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that in a bit. But before I get into that video, yes, it's definitely going to be on this wig. I know, 2 different hair textures, but it was looking poppin', and it's still looking poppin'. Okay, but before we get into the video, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that like button, because you know your girl needs it. We're going to go to the next level. Okay, so definitely hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. What are you doing? I'm going to wait. All right. And then, of course, make sure you comment down below because I'm going to leave the links for this wig. It is human hair, 100% human hair. Beautiful. Look at these curls. Not my curls. Look at these curls. Oh my gosh. So this is like a V-part wig. So I just wanted to talk to you about it before we get started into the video because I didn't really get to I talked, but I didn't really get to talk to y'all. You feel me? Because it was an Amazon review that I did, so I didn't really get to talk to y'all. But I'm going to go ahead and repurpose this video for y'all. So you can see all the trouble that your girl had to go through to get this wig on. Because, baby, this wig, we're just going to woosah. And I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another wig video. So in this video, this is Kiki Beauty. So it comes with all those nice little things like eyelashes, the brush so you could do your edges, and yeah, I love it. So this is the unit. Like, it looks really, really good. Now, y'all, this unit gave me a little bit of a hard time, and y'all are going to see this in a bit because your girl thought that it might have been like an invisible part, you know, where you just clip it in on your part and it looks fantabulous. Well, it didn't do quite that. So I fiddled with it and I tried, and I thought it was going to be easy breezy, lemon squeezy, and girlfriend, it was a not. So right there, I was just showing you how to unsnap the hooks so you can get it into your head. And getting it in wasn't a problem. Like, that was, well, actually it was a little bit of a challenge. But I think like if you braid your hair down and you just snap those snaps into the braid, you know, it would probably work better. But I didn't braid my hair. So, and my hair texture is actually different from the unit. So it took me a lot to get this wig to work with me. But y'all just keep watching. It's going to work out in the end. I promise you it's going to work out in the end. So y'all see my facial expression like, sis, your girl was tired. Like, but yeah, we're going to go ahead and put some water on the hair. Brush that sucker down. We're going to throw a wig cap on it because I said there's got to be a better way. So you'll see, watch and see. I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of this video. I'll chime in when I need to. So as you can see right here, my hair is definitely 2 different colors. And I also have a wave nouveau in my hair, but that's neither here nor there. So I'm just trying to blend it in. And then I got the idea from wetting my hair to actually go ahead and wet the unit because this was looking horrific. So I tried my best with it like this. And that wasn't working, but girl, I went and put some water in that thing and check it out. Yes. And these curls are so beautiful. It is poppin'. Like your girl was looking sweet. Okay, baby. Like, yes, come through curls. But you know, you just blend your hair to the wig and you're good to go. Like, it wasn't that bad. Honestly, it wasn't that bad. So I think I blended it pretty well. I do. Okay, so if I can do this, so can you. So go ahead and get yourself one of these wigs, because this wig is definitely fire. And thank you for watching this review, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.